Hi, I'm Kimberly, and I'm here with some tips for those of you who are suffering from plantar fasciitis, probably the most common condition we see in the clinic. First of all, plantar fasciitis is when you get a pain on the bottom inside of the heel, sometimes extending into the arch. It's usually most painful in the morning or after prolonged periods of rest. I have some stretches that I'm going to show you today that should help to just really reduce the amount of pain that you feel, especially when you first get out of bed in the morning. So the first one, you're just going to, while you're still in bed, as you can see, I'm just using a spare, somewhat creaky bed here, and you're going to just do some ankle rotations with both feet, going in both directions just to get things warmed up and get the blood flowing. The second stretch that you're going to do is using a tea towel. You're going to take the tea towel and just wrap it around the ball of the foot and the toes, and with the leg stretched out in front of you, you're going to just pull back on either side and pull your toes and foot back towards your shin. If you need, you can use something longer if you're not quite that flexible and you just need some extra length here. You're going to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds, switch into the opposite side, and you're going to repeat back and forth 2 or 3 times. The next stretch, and final stretch here, is just sitting on the edge of the bed. You're going to cross, use the opposite leg, cross your ankle over your opposite knee. I've put some cream on my foot ahead of time, so there's not as much friction. So you'll want to just put some cream or some oil on your thumb and just run your thumb down through the arch into the heel. And it shouldn't be painful, just a stretch that's tolerable. And spend about a minute or so just massaging things out. I'm just pulling the toes back and exposing that fascia, and just a gentle rub. And again, if it's affecting both heels, you're going to switch into the opposite side. So those are just a few stretches that can be used to help reduce the amount of pain felt with plantar fasciitis. But you should always talk to your orthopedist if you have, if pain is prolonged or it's not getting better, and there are certainly other options that we have and we can help you with.